Okay, so we are going to solve for x in the triangle, and this is actually a special triangle. It is actually a right triangle. We are going to go ahead and we're going to be using our sines, our law of cosines, and we are going to go ahead and it did not give us all of our angles or our lines, but that's okay. As long as we get one, we can go ahead and figure it out. So we now know that we have our angle here is 26. We're trying to solve for x, and we do have, it is our right angle here, and we have our adjacent here angle, and we have our, across our 90 degrees is our hypotenuse, and our opposite of our angle here. So what we're going to do is we now know that for cosine, we need the length of leg adjacent, which is our 20, over our hypotenuse, very difficult for me to say. And so we already know. So this is going to be cosine tangent equals our adjacent leg, or hypotenuse, because we're really going to find, because remember our x here is O, A, and H, and our angle, and the problem that was given to us, if we just turn it into, transfer it over, is going to be our x, 20, and our angle is 26. So the x is what we're trying to find, which is our hypotenuse. So we're going to go ahead and plug the information in. So we have cosine 26. Cosine 26 degrees equals our adjacent is given to us, which is going to be 20 right here. 20 over our x, also equal A over H, which is right here. So now that we have cosine 26 degrees, we need to find our H, which is our AH equals 20. Now we just need to plug in and solve. So look at my notes here so I can describe it. So 20x cosine 26, and we need to get our x by ourselves. So what we do is we go ahead and we over 1, we go and turn it over x, right? And we equals 20 over cosine, because we do the opposite. And we get rid of it. 6, right? And convert it. And x equals, we use our calculator, 2.25. And that's what we get the value. And then if they want us to round it, which a lot of them in our worksheets want to go ahead and round it out to the 10th. It's 2 because this is 5, 3, and this is our answer, depending on if they want you to round it off or not. Okay? Simple. As long as you have your numbers and you know where to plug in after you plug in all the information, that's where it becomes easier, by breaking it down by smaller pieces and then adding it and building from there.